Hey everyone, my name is Michael, and today I'm excited to give you a detailed comparison review between these two space heaters. On the left is the Dreo space heater, and on the right is the Gaiatop space heater. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing to note is that this heater does come with a quick start paper guide. Very nice. I really like the fact that this heater is easy to use. The power button is right here, so if I turn it on, it will immediately have a digital display. There are 3 separate heat modes, and to change the heat mode, you would just use this button right here. So for example, if I hit this, it goes to heat level number 2. That is less heat than heat level number 3. And then if I hit it one more time, it is the lowest heat level possible. There are 3 heat modes inside of this heater. Now, on top of that, there are additional modes here as well. If I hit this button here at the top, this mode button, it will now cycle to the eco heat. Now, what this does is it allows you to be able to pick your specific heat setting, and then the heater will heat up the room to that specific setting. So if I come back here, and let's say I wanted the heat to be maybe 80 degrees. And so what this does is now the heater will output a certain amount of heat that will get the room to the proper temperature that you set. In this particular case, it would be 80 degrees. If you set this to 87 degrees, the heater would work as hard as it needed to work to be able to get the temperature to 87 degrees. Now, there is also a fan setting here. So if I come back up to the mode button here and I hit this button, you will see a little fan symbol right here. And now this heater is not giving off any heat, it's just blowing air. Now, one of the other functions that is really, really nice is the oscillation button. So if I hit this button right here, you'll now see that the heater actually pivots back and forth in a nice, calm and even pace. So regardless of whether you're sitting on the left side of the room or the right side of the room, everybody in the room is going to be able to feel the heat. So as I come here to the top, you will see a display with all of the buttons. The power button is actually in the middle here. So I'm going to tap this button on and you will see the display turn on and illuminate. If you wanted to adjust the heat, you could hit the mode button right here. So for example, if I tap this, now I'm gonna get a little bit less heat now because it went from 3 to 2 waveforms. If I hit this is just wind. And then if I wanted to re-engage the heat, you will see here 3 waveforms and 2 waveforms. This is the highest heat you can get through the mode setting. Now, if you wanted to adjust the temperature yourself and not kind of have it be sort of a preset thing, you can adjust the set temperature here. So another thing to note here is that this is an oscillating heater, so it will pivot back and forth to heat up the room. So to do that, I would come and hit this button right here, and now you can see the heater oscillating back and forth. I also want to mention that this space heater does come with a remote control as well, which is really cool. So overall, I'm a big fan of this heater. I really appreciate the small size. It's easy to pick up and carry around. There's actually a handle in the back, so I can easily pick it up and move it wherever I need it. So overall, I really like both of these space heaters, and they both do a really excellent job. But if I had to pick one over the other, I would prefer to go with the Dreo space heater here on the left. I just really like the fact that it is a bigger space heater. It's a bit taller, it's a bit wider compared to the space heater here on the right. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products, I will leave a link below in the description for you to be able to do so. It is an affiliate link, and I will earn a small commission from your purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.